Hello, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel, y'all. I am TErickaLove, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. And welcome again. So, y'all, I decided to give you all some Valentine's Day advice, y'all. I'm so excited about that, y'all. I really am. Ask me why. Because first off, I'm excited because I am sending you all so much love and so much abundance and so much great positive energy. I'm sending that all you all's way, okay? And I'm going to be excited, all right, because love is going to be in the air. Well, love is in the air all the time because when you feel it within yourself, then that is what you exuberate, okay? Love, all right? So, love is going to be in the air, and my birthday is in February. Oh, 4 days after Valentine. So, you know what? I just want y'all to be happy for the whole month, okay? Just be loving for the whole month. Just be in your TErickaLove energy for the whole month, okay? All right, Sagittarius, Capricorn, because let's come on and let me stop playing. All right, so please know that these will be general messages. They may or may not resonate with all of you beautiful individuals, okay? If you find messages here that resonate, please feel free to take them with you. If you find messages here that does not resonate with you at all, then please do just leave them here on the table to allow someone to pick them up that they will resonate with. Okay, now let's get started. Valentine's Day advice. Okay, so you have here, we got a theme song for you for Valentine's Day. We got your overall energy here, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp, for Valentine's Day. We also have the song here that is going to put you in that mood here on Valentine's Day. So the lyrics here to the song is, I've been waiting for this special moment, anticipating all the things that you'll do to me. Okay, so you could be waiting here for that special someone and waiting on that special moment here, anticipating. That's number 16. So that is, if y'all young, y'all might don't know this here, okay? But it's SWV Downtown, all right? I'm going to look the song up for you all and put the link into the description box, and you go look at that. Listen to that, and yeah, that's going to be our energy here, all right? Okay, could be some messages in that song for you, okay? All right, now let's get some advice here, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. Some advice for Valentine's Day. You got protected here. So know that you are safe and divinely guided. All right. Know that you are divinely protected. Okay. So to me, that is saying know that your creator, know that God is unconditional love and loves you unconditionally. Therefore, you are unconditional love here. Okay. And yeah. Now, you got repression here. So someone does not express how they truly feel. All right. So maybe you on maybe, I don't know, if this person don't express how they truly feel, will they come out and say something to you before Valentine's Day? Will they ask you out on this date here? So you got twin flame here, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. This is a divine counterpart connection. All right. So you could be dealing with someone that you are spiritually here connected to. Okay. They might not express to you that they also feel this connection to you, but let's keep going. You got to play hard here on Valentine's Day, which means you got to find time to laugh, goof off, and just have a little bit more fun. Just enjoy yourself and your person that you choose to spend the day with, okay? All right, let's get some more advice for you all, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. Okay, you got hooked here. All right, so, there's going to be some naughty. There's going to be some naughty activity going on here, okay? But it's okay. All right. So, but if it's not, then here, this person that is in your energy, you feel physically, you feel a strong physical attraction here for this person. Okay. Also, you got facts here. So no facts. Let me see. What is this facts here? Maybe you're trying to, okay, because this person does not express how they truly feel, then maybe you're not gonna really know how this person truly feel. You probably looking for the truth or looking for the facts here, but we don't know if you're going to get it. Okay, but you got an offer here, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. Okay. So somebody is going to give you an offer here. All right. It could be this passionate type of offer here. All right. And it could be a person that you gave chance after chance after chance after chance to, and maybe they lost their chance in the past, or you could feel like, I don't know, but this could be the person that, I don't know, that you spend some time with here on Valentine's Day. All right, let's get you all just some more advice here. Okay, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp. You all are stepping into this new level of unconditional love here. Okay, and there's two people here, so y'all let me know. Okay. All right, you also got the mask is on, so things are not quite what they seem here. They kind of go along with the facts, and someone does not express how they truly feel. So, I don't know, maybe the mask is on because this person is not expressing how they truly feel. So you really don't have the facts here. So things are not really what they seem here, okay? Whether that is something good or not so great. Okay, now you got twin flame and soulmate here, Sagittarius, Capricorn, cuz okay, I feel love in the air for you all, or a lot of making it. Okay. All right, let's get one more advice. All right, you got on a pedestal here, so make sure you don't put this person on a pedestal here. You got divine protection again and flipped over, so this kind of go along with the you are divinely guided and divine protection. But make sure you don't put this person on a pedestal, or this person could have possibly put you on a pedestal, or you're going to feel like it here leading up towards Valentine's Day. But needless to say, if you put a person on a pedestal, then you got to ask yourself, will this hurt the relationship? Does this hurt the relationship if they're not able to fulfill your every need? Okay, because you have them on a pedestal. All right. So Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cusp, this is your advice here for Valentine's Day. Hopefully it will be helpful. I salute the divinity in you all. I am sending you all so much love, so much light, so much positivity. And I will see you beautiful people next time, okay? Bye.